Hello from science! I have been busy this past week playing in my kitchen to find some at-home experiments that you might have fun doing. I had some successes and I had some fails. That's what happens in science. Sometimes our experiments work and sometimes they don't, and we have to think and maybe change some things and try again. So keep watching until the end of my video to see some science fun with fizzy surprises, a jumping rainbow, magic pictures, oobleck, and even some optical illusions. I'll show you everything you need to do these fun experiments at home. So if you want to pick one or more of these to try at home, ask a grown-up if it's okay and to help you gather the supplies that you will need. Before I show you pictures and videos of these experiments, I want to read a little story that I picked up on my last trip to the grocery store. I knew as soon as I saw it, I just had to share this story with you. So let's read about Pete the cat and his science project. Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. See Pete's book, it says Science Rocks. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Just like we do in science class with Miss Chris and Miss Catherine, sometimes we do our experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? Do you have any ideas of what Pete could do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano? Asks Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie, she asked. They all raise their hands. Cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They will need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. I wonder what their secret ingredient is. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the strips of newspaper. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find the brown paint anywhere. That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours in the baking soda and the liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds the vinegar. Nothing happens at first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-fives each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon it is a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Emma and Marty made slime. We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. What is that secret ingredient? At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, says Pete. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. A second later, glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Do you see what their secret ingredient was now? It's all this glitter. How fun. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. And they won the prize that says coolest experiment at the science fair. Awesome job, Pete.